There's one thing you should know about me. I specialize in machine learning, a very special type of machine learning.
You're talking about deep learning.
So what's the most powerful thing in the business world? Capital? Intellectual property? No. A deployed deep learning model.
This model's not accurate enough. We need to go deeper.
Models work with test data in the sandbox, but it's only when we try to integrate the real data on the production cluster that we realized something is not right. Think about it. How did we get here?
Well, I started fitting the model.
Did you spend 2 weeks cleaning it? Did you have to pay a vendor to hydrate it? Did you have to blackmail a VP to run a VLOOKUP?
You're right. This must be test data. We're in the sandbox? Why don't all the data scientists try to escape?
In the sandbox, your data is clean. You have a GPU all to yourself, and your model accuracy is perfect. It's easier to just let yourself be deceived. It's called DEEPCEPTIon.
Why are they shooting at us?
They're the IT team. We won't let our Python models out of the sandbox. They want to rewrite everything in Java.
Model's too accurate. The data is real, but is this a real cluster?
All our tools are here. Anaconda's installed. Everything just works. It's too perfect.
We're still in the sandbox. We have to get to the production cluster.
What is that?
That's GDPR, but we don't have to worry about that until next month.
If I do this, I get to go home.
Because we're trapped in a dream world within a dream world?
No, because my son has a soccer game at 6 and I need to get a jump on traffic.
There's no GPUs available.
Hold on. It looks like the IT guys are using them to mine Bitcoin?
No, Dogecoin. Bitcoin mining uses too much energy and contributes to global warming. And Bitcoin has really become a settlement layer and not a currency. Dogecoin is a—
Shut up! Enough with all the stupid coins and cryptocurrency hype.